Hi folks, welcome to Kev's Shed again. This time I've got my beautiful granddaughter again, and she's got a school project that I'm going to help her with. So Lily, do you want to just explain your project?
Today we're going to make a bug hotel. You divide the square into sections.
So we're going to make the thing out of plywood. So you cut these pieces out here. So Grandpa's cutting the pieces for it because Lily can't use the dance floor, can you?
No.
But then we're going to glue this together, maybe screw it together, and we're going to make these sections here, and then you're going to fill it with all of these things for the bugs. Is that correct?
So in there, there's some tubes. You can make. You can make it out.
What are they for?
They're for bugs.
For bugs,
Yes.
like bees and things like that.
Yeah, like bees and things, or beetles. Let's get started.
The idea is we're going to glue it, but then later we're going to screw it so it won't fall apart. So we just got to do the verticals in here.
All the pieces together. We use the back as our guide. We're going to put these in there. Now for the tubes.
Look at that.
That's the tube in. And time for the leaves. That's enough. I don't think we can fit any more in.
What are you putting in now?
I'm putting in gum nuts instead of stone. That's what gum nuts would be good because there's little holes in them. The bug's gonna hide. The final thing.
Okay, well done. Finished project. So that's it. Lily Ingsted does a project for Kev's Shed. Thank you. Thank you very much.
That's okay.